Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to make YouTube subscribe link. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell for the next tips and tricks for our YouTube channels. Many YouTubers asked this question, how to create a subscribers link for our YouTube channel. Worry no more, cause these steps are the solutions to your questions. First, open YouTube on your browser. It can be on your computer or phone, then log in to your YouTube account. Second, click on the icon at the upper right part of your YouTube, then choose My Channel. Now you are at your channel. Third, click on the URL address and select Copy. Go to any text editor that you have. For me, I used Notepad. Paste the URL address, basically, that is your YouTube address. Try to click that link, and it will redirect you to your channel. To create a subscribe link, just add _confirmation equals 1 to the pasted link. To shorten the link, go to bit.ly.com, copy the updated link, and paste to the text field that you see on your computer. That's it, you have a shortened link. You can copy the link and place it to your uploaded videos.